Hi there, this is Jill from Gilbert's Bits of Bites, and I'm going to show you my new brushes. They're dynamic brushes and they're called Paint It. And what they're going to do is they can make paper, it's better, I guess I just show you what it does. So, anyway, make sure you've got your brushes loaded, like I do here. If you don't remember how, just do this and come up in here and say, load brushes. So I have them loaded. This one is my one from, number 2. Get a new piece of paper, blank file. Ha! My mouse is going all over the place. Okay, I'm going to use a keyboard. New, I'm making it 12 by 12, which is the standard size for scrapbooking paper. And then what I want to do is set my foreground and my background color. So we can just go here and let's say, let's go with the green. And come over here. I'm not so sure I want the blue. Let's go, is that tealy color? Sure, why not? Okay, so you see the brush here, but you just hold down your mouse. And you see what it's doing? It's actually a combination of two brushes, and each one brush takes on the background color, the other brush takes on the foreground color. And you just keep going. And if you kind of want to change the colors around a little bit more, just lift up your mouse button. Now, this also works on a tablet. I don't think it makes that much more difference, but here, let's go new, which this actually works better when I'm using my tablet. Let's get another piece of paper. And let's change the colors here. I'm going to go with orange. And take my background color. Yellow. Heck, let's be wild. Let's go with pink. Okay, so now I'm doing this with my tablet. And the main difference it is that it plays with the hues. I mean the opacity. Well, it won't if you do it on the background layer. Okay, let's just select all, delete it. Okay, let's just do another layer. Where do we do the other layer? Up here. And I'm going to just turn this off because by having the squares you'll kind of see. But you can see the opacity depending on how much pressure I put on my brush. If I put just very light pressure, it's even more opaque. And then or transparent. Sorry, I'm backwards today. Must be the allergy pills. But then just keep going. And the thing is if you see something you like, because this is going to be so totally random, make another layer and then start going, because that way you can always go, ugh, I hate it. And you can delete that layer and go back to what you did like. But anyway, real quick and easy and lots of fun to play with. That is my new Paint It brushes. They're available at my store at Digital Scrapbooking Studio. So that's it for today. Thank you.